Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned automobile. The 2025 Lordstown Endurance marks a significant step in the electric truck market, catering primarily to fleet customers. Here's a detailed look at what this electric work truck offers. The 2025 model focuses on efficiency and durability with minimal updates to its core design. Built around the same in-wheel hub motor system, it continues to offer four-wheel drive with fewer moving parts, aimed at reducing maintenance needs for fleet customers. While its core specifications, like the 109 kilowatt-hour battery pack and 440 horsepower output, remain consistent with earlier models, it boasts improved vehicle control and regenerative braking technology, making it a suitable workhorse for commercial buyers. The exterior of the Lordstown Endurance features a grille-less design with a modern, robust aesthetic. Black trim and a sleek, minimalist front end set it apart from conventional trucks. Built with durability in mind, the truck's exterior prioritizes function, making it visually appealing but with a clear focus on utility. The front trunk adds practicality, providing additional storage space for tools or equipment. The interior of the 2025 Endurance is designed with work in mind, simple, durable, and easy to navigate. Unlike its rivals, it lacks high-tech flourishes. Instead, it features practical elements like large physical buttons that can be easily operated with gloves and manually adjustable seats. The cabin, while not luxurious, is functional, with a user-friendly touchscreen interface and a 400-watt inverter for external power needs. With a range of about 322 kilometers per charge, the Endurance's mileage is decent for an electric work truck, though it lags behind competitors like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning in terms of range and towing capacity. The truck can tow up to 8,000 pounds, making it practical for fleet purposes. DC fast charging capabilities allow it to reach 80% charge in about 45 minutes, keeping downtime to a minimum. The 2025 Lordstown Endurance starts at approximately $65,000, positioning it within the higher end of electric pickup pricing. However, this price may be a hurdle for buyers, especially considering that competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning offer more features and range at a slightly lower price point. Lordstown Motors has been working through production and financial challenges, but the Endurance is expected to be available globally by 2025, primarily for fleet customers in the US and select international markets. Full-scale consumer availability may take more time due to ongoing production constraints. While the Endurance brings valuable features to the fleet market, its limited range and higher price might make it a tougher sell compared to more established electric trucks in the market.